In Los Angeles, there are more cars than people. Millions more. Some are just motor vehicles. Yours? Well, yours is a vibe. A member of the family, a protector, a faithful companion. So it deserves the best care. Keeping your ride fresh and clean can be a challenge in a place like LA. Spot-free car wash makes it easy. Lift away all that dirt and grime with our mesmerizing foam baths and state-of-the-art rinse and dry. With 8 Los Angeles locations and growing, offering a variety of wash services and purchase options. The satisfaction of a gleaming exterior is yours to enjoy, time and time again. Members love our eco-friendly water recycling system that reclaims 80% of water, conserving and protecting our most precious resource. Spot-free car wash. Elevate your drive.